In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a SHEIN gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to apply your card so the balance comes off your total and you can finish your purchase with confidence. First, open SHEIN, either in the mobile app or on the website. Give it a moment to load so everything displays correctly. Once you're in, browse and add the items you want to your cart. Take a second to pick the right size, color, and quantity and glance at the product details so you're confident about what you're ordering. When your cart looks good, head to your cart and tap Checkout to start the payment process. On the checkout page, look for the gift card section. Depending on your region or device, it might appear near payment methods or alongside coupons and discounts. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a little. It's usually near the area where you choose how to pay. When you found the gift card field, enter the gift card number exactly as shown on your card or in the email you received when it was issued. Be precise here. Characters that look similar can cause errors, so double check before moving on. Next, enter the PIN code. This is typically found with the card number, sometimes on the back of a physical card or in the same message where the card was delivered. It may be hidden under a protective panel or formatted separately. Keep this code secure and avoid sharing it with anyone. Now tap Apply or Redeem. The label may vary slightly, but the function is the same. Give it a moment to process. If the code is valid, you'll see the gift card amount appear and your order total will update automatically. The gift card balance will deduct from your total right away. If your gift card covers the full amount, your payable balance will drop to zero for the items and shipping that qualify. If it covers only part of the order, you'll see the remaining amount clearly displayed, and you can use your usual payment method to cover the rest. From here, continue in placing your order as you normally would. Review your shipping details, confirm delivery options, make sure your discounts look correct, and submit the order. If anything doesn't apply as expected, recheck the gift card number and PIN for typos, and ensure you're entering them in the right fields. That's it. Quick, simple, and secure. Enjoy your savings and happy shopping.